Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Schwab beneficiary designations correctly, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure your Schwab beneficiary designations correctly, begin by gathering all necessary account information. Log into your Charles Schwab account using your credentials. Navigate to the account management section of the website. Look for the option labeled Beneficiaries or Manage Beneficiaries. Select the specific account for which you want to designate Review the current beneficiary designations if there are any already in place. To add a new beneficiary, choose the option to Add Beneficiary. Input the full name of the new beneficiary. Specify the relationship you have with this beneficiary, such as spouse, child, or friend. Enter the beneficiary's date of birth for identification purposes. Provide the beneficiary's social security number, if required. Decide on the percentage allocation for this beneficiary from the total account value. If you wish to add more beneficiaries, repeat the previous steps for each individual. Review the beneficiary information carefully for accuracy before proceeding. Once all information is confirmed, proceed to submit your beneficiary designations. You should receive a confirmation email regarding the updates to your beneficiaries. If any changes were necessary, ensure that you follow up to verify that the correct information has been implemented. For any further assistance, consider reaching out to Schwab's customer service. Keep your beneficiary designations updated, especially after major life events. Review your designations annually to ensure they align with your wishes. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Schwab accounts are set up correctly to reflect your intended beneficiaries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.